Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle roof in Minecraft. While perfect circles are impossible due to the game's block-based nature, we can achieve a very convincing circular appearance. We'll start by laying out a square or rectangular foundation for your roof. Then, decide on the overall size, like a diameter of 21 blocks, to guide your construction. This initial step is crucial for establishing the scale and shape of your build. Now, let's build the base layer of your circular roof. It's helpful to use an online circle generator or a pixel art guide to get the block placement just right. Carefully place blocks to form the outermost ring of your circle. For example, a 21-block diameter circle might start with a 5-block straight line, then a 3-block line, and so on. Always double-check for symmetry to ensure a balanced and appealing shape. Next, we'll add height and create the curve of your roof. For each new layer, you'll gradually reduce the number of blocks, stacking them inward. This technique creates a dome-like or conical effect, giving the illusion of a smooth curve. Consider using stairs or slabs on the edges of your layers to achieve even smoother transitions, making your circular roof look more refined and less blocky. This step truly brings the shape to life. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your circular roof. Fill in the very top center to complete the structure, creating a solid peak. Now is the perfect time to add decorative elements such as fences, lanterns, or banners to enhance its appearance. Experiment with different block types, like stone bricks or wood, to add texture and visual interest. Make sure your new circular roof blends seamlessly with the overall design of your Minecraft build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.